Today we will visit another beautiful architectural example of Pakistan, the Monument of Pakistan. It is located on the western hilly areas of Islamabad. Moreover, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. You can reach here by car or by Uber. The monument was designed by Arif Masoud, who is a famous Pakistani architect. The construction was completed in 2007, and it was opened to the public in the same year. The reason for constructing this monument was to symbolize the unity of the people, as it was dedicated to the people who sacrificed there today for a better tomorrow. As it is located on hilly areas, its elevation makes it visible from across the city, and it is a very popular spot for tourists. If we talk about the design concept, the area covers 2.8 hectares. The design of the monument is rooted in the rich Mughal architecture of the subcontinent. It is a petal-shaped structure derived from the traditional Muqarnas of Mughal architecture. As the architect says, we should learn from history, but not remain in it. That's why he used today's technology to modernize the historical form of the Muqarnas. The resultant petal-shaped structure emphasizes the importance of unity and togetherness of the people of Pakistan. Rather than symbolizing the 4 provinces, as is mistakenly observed, it represents the 4 different cultures of the people of Pakistan. The 4 large petals represent each of the 4 cultures: the Punjabi, the Balochi, the Sindhi, and the Pakhtun, whereas the 3 smaller petals represent the minorities, Azad Kashmir, and Gilgit-Baltistan. So all the 7 petals, apart from that they are independent, still stand together in unison to form the nation of Pakistan. Standing together, they are protecting the star and the crescent of the flag of Pakistan. The star of the flag in the monument is designed in shiny black granite with golden stars, which represents the people who sacrificed their life for Pakistan. The moon crescent is made from stainless steel with inspirational writings of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Allama Iqbal, who were the national heroes of Pakistan. The petals are built of granite, and its inner walls are covered with artwork that depicts various landmarks of Pakistan. The architect has honored all construction workers by placing their hand impressions along the long walls flanking this Freedom Plaza on both sides. At the farthest end, there is a viewing platform which gives a bird's eye view of Islamabad. Other than this monument, there is a museum as well, which narrates the history and tells the story of the creation of Pakistan. Adjoining the monument is the Pakistan Monument Museum, which includes a wax museum depicting important events leading to the Pakistan movement. Furthermore, the facilities include a reference library, audio-visual archive, conference hall along with a 62-seat capacity auditorium known as the Panorama Hall. The complex receives on average 1,500 tourists per day, totaling at 0.57 million visitors in 2015. It's a beautiful place with amazing sceneries and historical background. I would highly recommend you visit here and enjoy the moments.